So you've probably heard of Bitcoin. Maybe your cousin won't shut up about it. Maybe you've heard about it in the news. And maybe you saw this when it crashed for the 400th time. Or maybe you think it's fake internet gold. But here's the thing. Bitcoin's not just the first cryptocurrency. It's the most important. And today, I'll be showing you why. And in a way that actually makes sense. So let's flashback back to 2008. When the banks were failing, the governments were printing money like crazy, and people were losing trust in the system. And out of this chaos appeared a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto, and they dropped a new idea, Bitcoin. The point? Money that doesn't rely on banks. Money that you control, and money with rules that nobody can change. And here's the biggest thing that makes Bitcoin special. There can only be 21 million of them. Period. That's it. Nobody can just print more. And compare that to the dollar, the government just hits print whenever they need more of it. And that's why inflation eats up the dollar every single year. While Bitcoin is like digital gold, scarce, hard to create, and extremely valuable. And that's because there's only so much of it. So how does this work? So new Bitcoin comes from something called mining, but not with axes, but rather with computers that solve puzzles that secure the network. Think of it like a giant global competition where thousands of computers race against each other to lock the next page in the big Bitcoin blockchain notebook. And the winner that does this wins a small Bitcoin reward. And I say small, but it's really not that small. Right now, you get about 3 Bitcoin for any block of Bitcoin that you solve. That's over $300,000 in the current prices. And every 4 years, this reward gets cut in half. And this is called the halving. And that's why Bitcoin gets scarcer and harder to earn over time. And this usually keeps the price climbing. So what about Bitcoin versus the other cryptos, such as Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, or all the other altcoins? Here's the key difference. So Bitcoin is basically digital gold, a store of value and rock solid security, while Ethereum, Solana, and all these other coins can have applications be made on top of them and are lightning fast in transactions. But of course, Bitcoin is the foundation of it all. It's the most decentralized coin of them. Also the most secure and the one that's been around the longest. So while other coins are exciting, Bitcoin is still the anchor. So can you actually buy stuff with Bitcoin? Yes. These days, there's many things you can buy. There was a time you could buy cars, flights, or even real estate, and this list is growing by the day. But most people don't spend it on these type of things. They just hold it, like a savings account that grows over time. So why do people believe in and trust Bitcoin? This comes down to 3 main reasons. For one, the scarcity. There can be and only ever will be 21 million Bitcoins. 2, decentralization. There's no company, no government, or no boss in charge of this. 3, security. The blockchain notebook is sealed tightly. So basically, Bitcoin is the global people's money, unstoppable, borderless, and immune to politicians. And most importantly, immune to the money printer. So when people say Bitcoin is the king of crypto, it's not just hype, it's digital gold, a hedge against inflation, and the coin that started it all. Next up in the series, we're going to be talking about how to actually buy your first crypto step by step. So stick around, like and subscribe, and let's keep this going in a simple fashion so you can understand. Thanks for tuning into this one. Cheers.